Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix League of Legends high ping and ping spikes problem. Let's fix it guys. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on your internet connection you are using. In my case I am using Ethernet. Select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS type 8844. Click on OK to save changes and just close stuff here. Second step, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing these both commands, you just need to close stuff here. The third step, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Click on open it. Select inbound rules. On right side, select new rule. Select port and select next. Select TCP and now check my video description for this TCP ports code. Just copy and paste it over here and click on next. Select allow the connection and select next. Check mark all of these, select next. Name this as LOL TCP port and after that click on finish and select a new rule again. Select port, select next, select UDP and check my video description for this UDP port code. Just copy and paste it and select next. Check mark allow the connection and select next. Check mark all of these and select next. Type here LOL UDP port and then click on finish. After adding both port, you just need to select outbound rules. Now you just need to do the same thing guys. Add UDP and TCP. Select a new role. Select port and select next. Select TCP, copy the TCP code, paste it and select next. Allow the connection and select next. Check mark all of these and select next. Name this as LOL TCP ports. Click on finish. Again select a new role. Select port and select next. Select UDP and copy the UDP port and paste it and click on next. Select allow the connection and select next. Check mark all of these, select next. Name this as LOL UDP ports. Click on finish and now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.